HLH treatment successfully quiets COVID-19 cytokine storms. Scientists at the Cincinnati Children's Hospital Medical Center in the U.S. have developed a transgenic mouse that can model hemophagocytic lymphohistiocytosis, or HLH. HLH is a childhood immune disease that can trigger cytokine storms, a syndrome also caused by COVID-19. Cincinnati children's cancer pathologist Gang Huang, PhD, is one of the investigators of the genetically engineered mouse strain on a small clinical trial that tested an HLH drug on severely ill COVID-19 patients. The drug, ruxolitinib, reportedly reversed respiratory and multi-system inflammation in the patients throughout the study, which was published in the peer-reviewed Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology. The researchers, including John Feng Zhou, MD, PhD, studied 43 severely ill patients diagnosed with COVID-19 from February 9 to February 28 in Wuhan, China. Zhou is affiliated with the Department of Hematology at Tongji Hospital, Tongji Medical College, and Huazhong University of Science in Wuhan. He is also known to frequently collaborate with Huang and other scientists at the Cincinnati Children's HLH Center of Excellence, which is connected to the Cancer and Blood Diseases Institute. He gave 21 of the patients in Wuhan a placebo and standard of care treatment, while the rest were given 2 daily 5 mg oral doses of ruxolitinib and standard of care treatment. The researchers described the patients who took ruxolitinib as having had a numerically faster clinical improvement. They exhibited significant chest CT improvement, a faster recovery from lymphopenia, and favorable side effect profile. Within 14 days of taking the drug, 90% of the ruxolitinib patients exhibited CT scan improvement, while only 61.9% of the placebo patients showed improvement in the same time frame. While all the severely ill patients who took ruxolitinib survived, 3 in the placebo control group died. The authors of the study wrote that their findings are encouraging and informative to future trials to test efficacy of ruxolitinib in a larger population. What the researchers conducted was only a phase 2 clinical trial, so more clinical testing of ruxolitinib is necessary. According to Science Daily, Huang said the pharmaceutical companies Incyte and Novartis are currently testing Rux-COVID in a larger phase 3 clinical trial. Over 400 severely ill COVID-19 patients are expected to be given the drug, and preliminary clinical data from the study should be released by the summer.